Hello, I am Dr. Bhagyalakshmi, Senior Homeopathic Consultant. I have been practicing from 22 years. My clinic name is Ribha Homeopathy. I have clinics in Raman Nagar, Nagar, Bengaluru. Psoriasis is an autoimmune chronic skin disorder. Psoriasis is a skin disorder that causes skin cells to multiply up to 10 times faster than normal. This makes the skin build up into bumpy red patches covered with white silvery scales. They can grow anywhere, but most appear on scalp, elbows, knees and lower back. Psoriasis cannot be passed from person to person. This is not a contagious disease because in patches cells will be dead. So that's why it cannot pass from person to person. So no need to worry about contagious. Psoriasis usually appears in early adulthood for most people, but it affects at any age. It appears in children also, old persons also, but mostly we see in men comparatively with women. In severe cases, psoriasis can cover large parts of the body. What are the symptoms we can see in psoriasis? Generally, we see eruptions on the body. Eruptions means rashes, red rashes will be there. Just look like silvery scales, and itching will be there. Sometimes more burning pain also will be there. These are the symptoms of psoriasis. What are the causes for psoriasis? No one knows the exact cause of psoriasis, but experts believe that it is a combination of things. Something wrong with the immune system causes inflammation, triggering new skin cells to form too quickly. Normally, skin cells replaced every 10 to 30 days, but in psoriasis patients, new cells grow every 2 to 4 days. The buildup of old cells being replaced by new ones creates those silvery scales. Psoriasis tends to run in families, that is called hereditary. If there is any patient in their family with psoriasis, like parents, their grandparents and siblings, and there is a more chance to get to another. Another cause is stress. If there is more stress due to work pressure or financial pressure, then it happens. Now I am going to tell about types of psoriasis. There is so many types of psoriasis. Main is plaque psoriasis, gutted psoriasis, pustular psoriasis, inverse psoriasis, erythrodermic psoriasis. What is pustular psoriasis? In rashes, if there is pus, that is called pustular psoriasis. In scalp psoriasis, wherever rashes are there, more on scalp, that is called scalp psoriasis. Inverse psoriasis. In this case, rashes we see in flexes of joints like elbow joint, knee joint, between fingers, that is called inverse psoriasis. Erythrodermic psoriasis, which causes fiery redness of the skin and shedding of the scales and sheets. It is triggered by severe sunburn and infections. Now I am going to tell about diet. Psoriasis is an inflammatory condition. Research is limited, but some people who have psoriasis, they can manage it better if they eat more inflammatory fighting foods. Some studies suggest that antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene rich diet they have to take, and they have to reduce processed foods and refined sugars, fatty cuts of red meat and dairy products they have to reduce. And if they are obese, they have to lose weight. People who are overweight, obese, have a greater chance of getting psoriasis and their symptoms tend to be worse. Studies suggest that skin may get better if you shed extra pounds. This may be because of fat cells. Make certain proteins that can trigger inflammation and make the condition worse. You might eat smaller portions, limit carbs, fats, follow a combination of diet strategies. What are the complications of psoriasis? If they are not taking proper treatment, and it will increase fastly also, and then some complications will occur. Main complication we can say that is joint pain, that is called psoriatic arthritis. Then in some patients osteoporosis also will occur, and depression also will be there. These are all the main complications of the psoriasis. Now I am going to tell about treatment in homeopathy. In homeopathy we give treatment according to constitutional. Constitutional means we take total symptoms from the patient. That means disease symptoms, physical general symptoms plus mental general symptoms. These symptoms we call total symptoms. According to their totality of symptoms, we give medicines. There are so many good remedies are there in homeopathy like sorinum, sulfur, thuja, etc.